Hello, friends. Today we will discuss the requirement prioritization in SAP MM. So, I'm just giving the background for the requirement prioritization in the business point of view. So, in all businesses, there are thousands of requirements generated during the business process. So, but all the requirements are not at the same priority. Some requirements are very urgent on the urgent basis of where procurement team procure the material. Some are the medium. Okay, business can bear the time 2 3 days or 4 5 days or as per business process cycle. Or some is the normal like the routine procurement like or stationery or something other thing that kind of material. So generally business procurement teams struggle with the prioritization means urgency how the system show that how that the which one is the urgent pr or urgent po or which one is the normal, which one is the medium, so that the business procurement team can take the decision, take first the urgent PR, then medium, and then go for the normal procurement. So SAP has already given a standard functionality of the requirement prioritization. Requirement prioritization so that the business team can segregate the priority for the purchase. So I'm just going to show. Firstly, I will show in the transaction level, business user level, and then I will show you as a from the consulting point of view, and how the configuration will have been done by the consultant so that this functionality active for this client. So I'm just going to show you. So this is the field of the requirement urgency and requirement priority under the tab of source of supply. See, this one is the requirement urgency field and this one is the requirement priority fields. Okay. So if I show you, I have configured this system on the three category of the requirement urgency. First, the highest urgency. Second is the medium urgency, and third is the routine one as per routine purchase. So according to this urgency level, this priority will come according to your urgency level. Okay, this is the highest priority, this is the medium, this is the lowest. This is not a standard one. I just configured for this client. Okay, so this is the at the PR level, and good thing is that same urgency level will propagate to PO. If suppose the business user will adapt this PR into PO, then the same urgency level will copy in the PO also. So I'm just showing the in PO also. In PO also there is a requirement urgency field. Yes. See, see, I have just copied this PR into PO, and this field is automatically copied from the PR itself. So we can find out the PO also. Urgent PO we can also segregate. Procurement team can segregate the urgent PO also. Okay, and another good thing for this is functionality. Already we have a standard report for PR and PO in which we can download the urgent PR or PO also. I'm just showing the report. Say for PR, it's ME5A. It's a standard report. Go for the dynamic selection, when purchase execution. So here is the requirement prioritization, requirement urgency field. Okay, so procurement team can download from here which one is they want to work on this PR. So they can download this list and go for their procurement. System will segregate. System will download the according to their urgency one. Same thing we can also download the urgent PO also. So for urgent PO, we will go for the report ME2N is a dynamic selection field. Go for the dynamic selection and we go in the item level. So in item level, There is a requirement purchasing, requirement urgency and priority field. So for this one, we can also make a variant for this report and give to business users so that they can easily download this kind of urgent PR and PO. See, this one is a requirement urgency field. User can also put the multiple one. Here is a multiple selection also. So okay, so this is the urgent PO for this one. So we can use for urgent PO. We can, it will go for the under release strategy on the priority basis. So that the once the PO release, the further activity will start after the release PO. Okay, so and another thing, we can also requirement prioritization in MRP, in delivery, and in reservation also. So this is the transition. Now I will show the consulting how we will configure this kind of functionality, because by default system this functionality is not active in the client. We need to activate this functionality, then it will come for use. So we go in SPRO and we'll go in the material management node. Is the material management. Go in the general setting for material management. There is the requirement prioritization. So here is the configuration. So first of all, we have to activate the requirement prioritization. So by default, in system this is unchecked. We need to check this checkbox, and then it will activate in this client, and then we go for the our further function. of- Okay, so I'm just showing that you just select it and copy it, then it will open and you will just go the checkbox and it will activate. Nothing else. Okay, so I already activate, so I'm not going to activate again. Now second one is the your requirement urgency group. So you have to first of all 2-digit code for your requirement urgency group. So just as here I created Z1 for highest, Z2 for medium, ZZ for routine. So you can create according to your category of your urgency or priority. Third one is the you have to assign your requirement urgency code 1234 with your requirement urgency group, because you will user will enter the requirement urgency, requirement priority will come according to this assignment. So when you define the requirement priority, you have just created the this requirement priority 1 2 3 and assigned the Z1 Z2 ZZ. Okay, you can also assign the delivery as I told earlier. We can assign into delivery also. How, which one is the urgent delivery, which one is the one. And best thing is that SAP already given a battery also. So if any requirement which are not covering in the standard one, so we can go on the battery also. So that is the one that is the configuration part. Once you configure and assign this, then it will show in your transactions also. ME21 and I mean ME51, and you can see here also. So hope you will get benefit from this video. You can something knowledge. So I'm just in my channel I'm just sharing my real time experience, because this is I designed in my previous client. They have this kind of requirement. So firstly we have to prefer the standard one. If it is mapping everything, then it's very good. So we are just avoiding the custom. And thank you so much. If you like, if you gain something from my video, please like, subscribe my channel, so that you can benefit from my knowledge to all the subscribers. Thank you so much.